Say cheese. A few more things I noticed. This brake line right here is just rubbing, so I need to fix that. The liner is like missing, broken, so what they put in here. I just put some silicone paste on this to preserve this newer control arm and the boot. So this is the crazy part that I noticed. This thing is not even attached, this front subframe mount. This is crazy. It's not even attached. And this car was like hit underneath on this side. Like it's crunched up on the left side. So yeah, that's another fun discovery. So the bolt is also broken inside of it, and this thing is not. So trying to take this fender trim off, and guess what they did? They put self-tapping screw right there, so it goes into that. So they did that, they attached it first, then they added a bunch of body filler, and then they painted it. So yeah, a lot of fun.
A few moments later.
So now I'm unscrewing the screw from the inside. Look at that. Something is coming out. Man, this is so sad. Look at that. Look at that little guy. What a shame. What a shame. So taking the rocker panel assembly off, the plastic, and you know, everything is painted here. The seal is painted. Yeah. So sad. Took this side out. This is a nice original paint. This is not original, this is original.
All the things here.
Yeah. Well, the things are good on this side. They're good on this side. So I parked the car right here for now, on the blocks. So it's gonna be easier to work on right here, and it's gonna be safer. Okay, now I'm having struggles opening the hood fully. This side will not unlock, and somehow what I discovered is it got detached from that other latch right there. So thankfully it's at least this side opened up a little bit, so I can slide some pliers or something in there and pull that cable. It will release that side. Okay, took this one out, cleaned this latch, and ended up putting everything back together, and now lubricated it a little bit, both of them, and I'm gonna test it out now. I'm gonna make sure that it opens both latches before I close the hood. It was really messed up from some previous shade tree mechanics as well. Let's listen to it. Both of them popped. So let's look at this one. That one's popped. This one's popped. Yeah, so when you're putting this back, this latch connects to that one with the cable. So you have to make sure the cable is in all the grooves and things like that. Really important. Okay guys, so I started taking the stuff out. So all the cladding is basically out. And then this side, and it's really sad, you know, like this is right here, it's beautiful factory paint on this car, and this is already a different paint. It even still has a sticker right here. Yeah. So whenever they repainted this car multiple times, they never even bothered to remove the cladding, none of that stuff. Yeah, I already took this side out. Yeah. You look at all these cladding trims and chrome strips, they're just painted, and then some of them also have clear coat on them, as you can see. So I need to clean all that up. It's so tragic, it's so sad. I just don't get how much of a stupid idiot you have to be to paint this door handle in clear coat, and then also that chrome right there, and also the gasket. Yeah. Start undoing some of the moldings too. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff still left, but I did this side as well, except the fronts, because I have to mirrors, things like that. So yeah, I removed this seal right here. Using a lacquer thinner, cleaning all this slowly. So a lot of these parts, they just need to be submerged in paint thinner, and they're gonna clean all the overspray.